I wanted to do a quick review on my favorite portable speaker. This thing is a beast. This is the JBL Xtreme 2. It's absolutely incredible. I love that it has this strap that you can kind of wear so it doesn't hurt your arms, or you can hold other things, which is really nice. It's got 15 hours of playtime, and then my favorite quality is it's waterproof. Not just water resistant, but it's waterproof. It can be submerged and still work. So it's great if you're bringing it to the beach, to the pool, or anything like that. You don't have to worry about it being like, oh, is this gonna be okay? It's gonna be okay. JBL, I've been buying them for years, and they just make really good products, easy to use, great sound quality, which sometimes is really lacking in these portable speakers, but this one is awesome. Really easy to use. If you're just connecting your phone for the first time, you turn it on, you hit this little button right here, it flashes, and then on whatever device you're trying to hook up, you just connect and boom, it's on there. It's got really good sound quality. Yeah, there's just nothing I don't like about this. The only thing, actually, it's a little bit heavy. So if you're doing a backpacking trip, this is probably not the one, even though it's got the best sound quality. But car camping, beach, pool, you name it, this thing is awesome. Get the party started. Yeah, I can't say enough good things about it. And did I mention the sound quality is good, and it can be submerged in water, and it's got 15-hour battery time. This thing is awesome. All right, guys, I really appreciate you watching. I hope this review helped.